What's up, guys? We got a 23 Tucson hybrid. We end up adding the shock sensor. Somebody already busted the window and emptied the guy out. So by adding the shock sensor, because what happens is they break the window without opening any of the doors, and the alarm is not going to go off because the door hasn't been opened. So yeah, so the shock sensor, it will be the same as installing an aftermarket alarm system, and the beauty is you don't have to carry another fob around. We just added the shock sensor to this vehicle, so any banging they do around the car or any of the windows that they bang on it to break, the alarm's going to fire off. It will protect your rims and tires as well if they try to bust out the lug nut locks, but I don't think they're going. I haven't heard any reports of going for these rims at all. At least in this 23, I haven't heard anything. But you know, in any event, you'll know that you cover there as well. I'm going to go ahead and bang in the glass, and you're going to see that the alarm is going to fire off after adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Okay, our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. The shock sensor is fully adjustable. For instance, when we mount it for the customer, we remove this lid, and you can this way will be more and this way will be less. So it's good that the customer can sit there and adjust it depending on where he lives. We pretty much put it where we think you're going to be okay, but in the event that you park sideways and you got cars going by and stuff like that, you can adjust the shock sensor.